I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We are here at Broadband World Forum in 2012 in Amsterdam, and I'm speaking with Napatech's Mr. Daniel Joseph Barry. How are you today, sir?
I'm very good. Thanks very much.
Excellent. For all of the people out there in bnetTV land, why don't you give us a brief overview of Napatech and what you're doing here at Broadband World Forum?
Well, Napatech is actually the world's largest provider of intelligent adapters for network monitoring and analysis. So anywhere you have an IP or Ethernet network and you need to analyze what's going on in that network, find out who's sending what to whom and how they're doing that, what applications they're using, etc., then that's where our technology would come in.
What makes Napatech better than your competitors in the market space?
Well, we've designed our products exactly for this particular application. So another word that's used for this, packet capture. So basically, it's the job is to get as much of the data off of the network as possible in. And I'm saying as much, I mean every piece of Ethernet frame and the IP packets off the network and into the analysis application without losing any of the packets. So this has to be done at high speed. We're working up to 40 gigabits per second now, and it's not as easy as it sounds. Just to give you an idea of how challenging this is, at 10 gigabits per second, you can have up to 30 million packets per second that you have to be able to deal with. And most other applications for that could be used for this, such as standard interface adapters, etc., they're just not built for that. So we have a it's a design for purpose product. We're very focused on doing that, and that's really what sets us aside from alternative ways of doing this.
So capturing the data, definitely one initiative. Analyzing the data, definitely another initiative. So when that data inevitably gets to where it's going for analysis, is that as well a Napatech product, or are you just sort of in that capturing arena?
That's an excellent question. The analysis is usually performed by our customers. So we'll do some pre-analysis. In other words, we'll detect on the card what kind of data it is, so we can look at layer 4 if you're talking about the OC stack, so we can actually determine what kind of data it is, and then we'll intelligently distribute that to the number of CPU cores that are in the server in which we're installed. And the customer's application is running on those CPU cores. And they'll do the particular analysis that's in question. And that's where their differentiation comes in. Our product is relatively generic. It can be used for lots of different things. It's our customers to determine what exactly it's used for. And some of the things that we can use it for are network monitoring analysis in general, but also things like network security, tests.
Threat?
Yes, exactly. Threat detection, that sort of thing. Surveillance, it can be used for that. Cyber defense, it can be used for latency measurement in financial networks, or any type of test application. In the telecom arena, we're used for protocol analysis for voice over IP or LTE protocols, etc. It can be used for policy enforcement. So there's a lot of different things that it can be used for. It's a very generic type of solution, and it's installed in standard servers. It's off the shelf, like Dell, HP, whatever you have. So it's it makes the hardware platform very easy to access, very easy to install, and really allows our customers to be more software focused, so they can do what they do best and really focus on the application, what exactly you're trying to solve, rather than the hardware.
So Daniel, you have got a report that you're releasing today.
That's right. Actually, right today we're releasing our new insight brief on time to rethink network management. And it's something we've been talking about this week at Broadband World Forum. And basically, what we're looking at in this piece here is we're looking at the opportunity there for carriers and also for vendors of network probes in the telecom space, and particularly in addressing the need for enabling new innovative services on Ethernet networks, and also managing customer experience on an end-to-end basis. These are two things which are really key things for carriers at the moment. It's something that they're really discussing, thinking about how they can implement that. And a lot of work has been done lately by the Telemanagement Forum on their Managing Customer Experience projects, where they've actually identified network probes as being quite strategic to supporting enabling new services and customer experience management. So this is something that we're trying to highlight and bring to the fore, and let people know, how strategic these network probes are, what you can use them to do, and this is all outlined in the paper here. And the bottom line basically is, by using network probes in a strategic manner on an end-to-end basis, you have the ability to start addressing the key concerns of increasing loyalty to your end users, and thereby increasing ARPU by offering innovative services and by ensuring that the quality of experience is what they expect.
And where can our viewers find the paper?
This will be available on our website. It's on our front page, so you can download it from there. We also have a landing page on napatech.com called Time to Rethink. So it's very easily accessible, and there's some press releases going on about this today.
And then finally, Daniel, why is it important to come to the conferences like Broadband World Forum? Why is it good to be engaged?
Well, when I walk around here, I meet a lot of old friends from the telecom area. This is where people come together. There's a lot of very good decision makers coming here to the show. A lot of C-level people are here. It really is a community event where we bring everyone together in the telecom arena to discuss some of these topics. And as you can see, this is quite a high-level topic. It's a very important topic. It's something that's of great strategic interest, and it's the perfect forum for discussing these type of issues.
Fantastic. Thanks very much for taking the opportunity to speak with us. I hope we get a chance for an update again in the future, and congratulations on the recent appearance.
Thanks very much.
All right, I've been speaking with Mr. Daniel Joseph Barry of Napatech here at Broadband World Forum in Amsterdam. I am Tony Sklar with bnetTV.